Alrighty guys, hey, Coach Marcus here, Las Vegas. How you doing this awesome Monday, 12:31 in the afternoon? Just wrapped up doing a video in the HBN and Zilara community, and this one is here on my timeline. I'm going to cover the same information I covered in that group. So let me find my video really quickly on my timeline. I want to get this video shared to my page, Coach Marcus, and if you guys are watching live, just type live for me. If you happen to catch the replay, type replay. And if you aren't a member of Cellular and want to become one, you either contact me if you happen to see this on your timeline, no one invited you or tagged you, or contact the person that tagged you in the video or share this video from my timeline to their timeline, and find out how you can become a Zilara partner. So let me go ahead and do that. And it's been what, five weeks now? We launched, soft launch May 22nd. And so it's been really good launch with Zilara. We are still in soft launch mode. Things are being rolled out, and people are really enjoying the product. So let me get to my notes. So if you guys have been following me, my daily videos, Monday through Friday, about the individual ingredients in cocoBLUE. I'm finished going over the individual ingredients, except for the vitamins like A and B, all the B vitamins. I'll do those separately. But now I'm covering the individual compounds, each compound for each individual ingredient. So today we're going to cover blue spirulina. I'm just trying to find my notes so I don't leave anything out today. And so blue spirulina is amazing. Where's it at? Here it is. Okay. Blue spirulina is wonderful. So blue spirulina is, do me a favor, guys, type 1 if you can hear me and see me, and let me know where you guys are watching from, city, state, or country. And if you watch live, type live. If you watch the replay, type replay. And I need to give this quick disclaimer about what I'm going to share. I'm not a doctor. I'm not giving any type of medical advice. I'm not saying cocoBLUE or any of our products will diagnose, prevent, treat, or cure any disease or health conditions. If you do have any pre-existing conditions, okay, or if you're under a doctor's order or taking any medication, see your doctor or your pharmacist or a healthcare professional and let them know, hey, I'm thinking about using this stuff called cocoBLUE or whatever supplement you want to use, so they can review the compounds in it, to see if you can take it safely. Additionally, this is a supplement, okay, and it's not governed by the FDA. All right, so today I'm going to break my next several videos. I'm going to break down the individual compounds for each individual ingredient in cocoBLUE. So today we're talking about blue spirulina and the compounds in blue spirulina, which are several. There's 7 of them that I picked out, want to cover. Okay, so we're going to talk about the individual compounds in blue spirulina, hey Lee, and their potential benefits. So blue spirulina is different from whole green spirulina. It is primarily a cold water extracted phycocyanin concentrate, okay, which isolates the blue active compounds while removing much of the green chlorophyll and fibrous mass. Okay, that's what blue spirulina. Blue spirulina is. Let me have this sip of gut check. Good for the gut, guys. So it makes this is what makes blue spirulina a more concentrated in certain bioactive compounds. So the first compound, which is the main active compound in blue spirulina, is called phycocyanin. 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 This is the star of blue spirulina. Okay. The reason why is because blue spirulina is the blue pigment protein complex responsible for most of blue spirulina's benefits. There is protein in phycocyanin. And here's some of the potential benefits. Powerful antioxidant support. It helps neutralize free radicals. Okay, and free radicals are produced by the mitochondria. Mitochondria is the energy component of the cell, right? And it releases, once it produces energy, the waste from that produces free radicals. So you got to get those out because they can damage your cells. So phycocyanin, okay, helps neutralize free radicals, protects cells from oxidative stress. Number 2, supports healthy inflammation response, which may help regulate inflammatory pathways. Number 3, supports energy, helps reduce oxidative stress that contributes to fatigue. A lot of people their bodies are under oxidative stress. That's why they're tired, because their bodies keep fighting, trying to get that stuff out. They're tired. Brain support may support neural protection and cognitive performance, and supports cardiovascular wellness by supporting healthy circulation. So this is the most important compound in cocoBLUE, phycocyanin. That's the most important compound in cocoBLUE. Number 2 compound is phycoBILIproteins, PHYCOBILIPROTEINS. PhycoBILIproteins. Phycocyanin belongs to this larger family, and the benefits of phycoBILIproteins are support cellular communication. So your cells need that. They communicate with each other. Antioxidant protection, and help support healthy immune signaling. Okay, and these proteins, once again, another protein, are light harvesting compounds with protective benefits. Number 3 compound is essential amino acids. Need those, okay? So blue spirulina still contains smaller amounts of amino acids, which benefit muscle repair. You work out, got to repair those muscles, energy metabolism, cellular repair, and protein synthesis, okay? And the important amino acids may include leucine, isoleucine, valine, lysine, and threonine, okay? Need those. And your body doesn't produce those. You have to get those from external sources. Number 4 compound is polysaccharides. Okay, so polysaccharides are natural plant sugars found in spirulina. And here are the benefits. Immune support, okay? Energy support, gut microbiome support, cellular resilience, all from polysaccharides, and these may help strengthen immune function. That's great. And guess where your immune system is located? Most of your immune system is in your gut. So this right here helps your gut microbiome, right? You keep this strong, your gut, that's going to strengthen your immune system, which will result in you being less likely to get sick. I have not been sick since 2018, right? It's been, 8 years now. Somebody said, hey, I love cash out my daily commissions. Yeah, we are a network marketing company. Now, this isn't a business opportunity overview, but we do get paid in real time. You have people spend money every day and get paid occasionally. We get paid daily here, which is great. And we as long as you have $10, you can withdraw those commissions. Okay. And we never make any type of income claims, because I know I work hard. Don't know if you work hard, so you might join us and not earn any money. But if you get sales, you get commissions. You can join for free. You can join for free. Not take the free tour. Set up a free account for free. You have a back office of websites. And every time someone goes to your website and buys cocoBLUE from your site, as a customer, the company's going to pay you 30% commissions. It's great. All right, so that's enough about that. Number 5 compound. Okay, if you guys want information about that, reach out to me. I'm a Ruby emerging leader with the company, or advancing leader. So I'm almost to the highest rank. In like 3.5 weeks, I hit it. So I should be hitting diamond soon. Very soon, hit diamond. So I'm probably the highest ranked person in the entire company. So if you guys want to party with somebody who knows how to build, I got you. All right, get you plugged in. It's fun. So check it out. So the next compound are trace minerals. So blue spirulina may still contain trace amounts of iron, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. And the benefits from those compounds are energy, hydration, circulation, and nervous system support. You'll feel calm. It's great. Number 6 compound, beta-carotene in small amounts. So there's less beta-carotene in blue spirulina than in green spirulina. But the benefits of beta-carotene: eye support, antioxidant protection, skin support, cellular protection. Okay, number 7, this is the last one. This one's important because this particular compound, once you turn 40, your body's not making it anymore. Starts at age 30, but around 40, you're not making it. So your mitochondria is producing the energy, and this enzyme, right, it helps clean it up. Well, around 40, that's why, have you know those people, when they turn about 40, they just start looking older, start aging, start having like less energy and just not looking good, okay? People think I'm like 35, 40 years old. If I die this, people have no idea. I'll be 58 in November. So anyway, but the compound is superoxide dismutase. It's superoxide, SUPEROXIDE, dismutase, DISMUTASE, also known as SOD, like dog. This is an enzyme. If you're going to have proteins and amino acids going into your system, you got to have the enzymes. And this enzyme is found in algae. And the benefits of SOD helps combat oxidative stress. Right? So when your mitochondria is making energy, it leaves waste. That waste can contribute to oxidative stress. You need SOD to take that waste out. Okay? Next, SOD supports recovery. I work out Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. I lift weights. On Saturday, Wednesdays and Saturdays, cardio, some abs. But when you're working out, you got to recover. SOD helps recovery. Next benefit is cellular defense and healthy aging support. Healthy aging. A lot of people are not aging well. Look at them. All right, so look, SOD is one of the body's strongest natural antioxidant enzymes. You need this. We have it. cocoBLUE is the company's most powerful formula ever. No other company has this, and probably never will, because even if they try to copy it, they don't know the formulation, because Alexander Brighton is our formulator and it's proprietary to us. They don't know the amounts of each individual ingredient. Some companies out there making these formulations could be poisoning people. People don't even know it. They think they're getting healthy stuff. No, we have it. Pure, organic, non-GMO, gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, keto-friendly, right? No chemicals are in them. So anyway, why blue spirulina is so valuable in cocoBLUE? The main strengths are this: high phycocyanin concentration, you need that; powerful antioxidant support; healthy inflammation support; cellular vitality; natural energy, brain support, recovery support, and immune support. All in 2 scoops a day. This is better than any energy drink on the planet. This is why I tell people, if you guys drink energy drinks, take my 7-day challenge. Drink cocoBLUE 2 scoops a day for 7 days. And don't drink any energy drinks, and see how you feel, see how you look after 7 days. I guarantee you will never go back to drinking any of those energy drinks again. Right, so because of the strengths I just shared, this is one of the reasons cocoBLUE has such a strong cellular vitality positioning. It targets the cells. I'm telling you guys, it works. So blue spirulina isn't just a superfood, it's a high performance cellular support ingredient. We have premium products. Okay? It's priced right. It's what, $30 for a 7-day supply. It's like $110, I think, for like a month supply, but it's worth it. It's worth investing into your health. Just like you put premium gasoline in your vehicle, you gotta put premium products into your body and onto your skin, right? So that's it, guys, for this video. If you guys have any questions, reach out to me. And you want to learn more about cocoBLUE or any other products, let me know. We have deodorant, we have go-go sticks, these nasal inhalers, we have an email subscription, we have black sea oil, fulvic minerals, all kinds of stuff, coffee. gut check for the gut, and probiotics are in it. We have a lot of stuff. So you guys want to learn about that or anything else, just reach out to me, and I can I'll send you my link, shopwithcoach.com. That has my favorite products on there. Go get it. Get with that. Get anything. All right, guys. So tomorrow's video, I want to cover another ingredient, the individual ingredients from a product called Chlorella, Chlorella. Okay, and so that's an algae, and it's amazing. That one is man, it has so many benefits: detoxification, immunity, energy, and also cellular health. Right? That's just from Chlorella. So I'll cover that tomorrow. All right. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Hey, share the video with people. If someone share the video, that means they have a website you can go and get cocoBLUE from. If no one shared the video or tagged you, just message me and let's get you signed up. You can sign up for free. You want my free account link? Say, Coach Marcus, send me your free link. Go create your free account and just order later. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you guys tomorrow around this same time. Peace, and remember, your health is your wealth, and there's nothing on the planet that says as you get older that your body needs to break down and you need to look decrepit and elderly. Right? We want to age well. Right? Health is wealth. Thanks for watching, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.